And guess what? I ate them with ketchup. They were good. They were so good. You probably want me to get serious about our divorce. The thing is, you always called our marriage a joke. So let us use logic, Charles. If A, we never had a serious marriage, then B, we can't have a serious divorce. No, we can't. We can't. Everything is a fuss here. Everything is a fuss, Charles. A big fuss. But the tastes good with ketchup. I mean, it wasn't last week your dad asked you the reason why you walked me down the aisle? And you said what? You said, for an exercise, Dad. For an exercise. Wow. You are so funny. You are so fun, Charles. No. Me. Right? I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I don't cry. I'm laughing. I'm laughing because you are about to give on a woman who is infinite lovable.